have finished soldering the Nouveau 75 Bravo, and we're going to get ready to power it on. So hopefully we don't see any smoke. I've gave it a good look over, made sure there was no solder bridges or anything. So let's fire it up and see how she goes. So I have my power supply off camera here. I have it set to 12 volts, and I have it set to about 1/4 amp. So in case anything goes wrong, we won't fry too much. Okay, output is on. There's a power switch here in the back. We'll flip that on. Okay, well, it fired up. Cool. No smoke. You can see the display is hard to see here, but it's on and the LED's lit. And we'll adjust the volume. And obviously we're not going to hear anything because we don't have the BNC antenna hooked up. But now we can move on to the next step and get it all cased back up. And then hopefully we'll be on the air. Okay, the radio is all put together. Put all the finishing touches on it. Got the little feet put on there. It's a pretty nice looking radio. I've really never been disappointed with any of the Four-State QRP kits. They always put out a good product. But I'm really looking forward to getting this on the air.
Coordinated Universal Time, 10 hours, 36 minutes. 10 heures, 36 minutes.
I'll probably get back in and listen a bit. If not, I might run back across you. Nice talking about you guys. Nice big signals, the band's in nice condition. Go ahead, Jim. This is WB3ETN.
Over here in the background, trying to make this receiving loop. Like I said, I was messing around with the inductance calculator, so I'm over here. I had one I made before, so I'm just trying to modify them. KB3RHR in the building group.